Hey guys, how you doing? This is a follow-up to our northern white cedars. We put these in here earlier in the year, and some of these have grown some really nice sized roots. We really like these northern white cedars. They're incredible plants. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pot these in these pots today. And also, went ahead and I've rooted another couple hundred right here. And we'll keep you posted on the next batch. Thank you and appreciate you guys checking us out. That's 30 northern white cedars that we grew from cuttings. And real excited. We just planted another few hundred. I was going to try and do 10,000, but it's not going to be feasible at this time. So I figure I'll do whatever I can. I'll put some fertilizer on the ones that are in the 1 gallon. These had a lot of good roots on them without that long. When these get big in another, probably by the end of next year or the year after, it's $25 each.
It's now April 5th and let's see what they look like. These are the September 18 cuttings. Check one. Okay. That hurts. And we'll check the ones in the small gallons.
And to be continued.
And these are the 10-month-old cuttings. And that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. And if you're curious how we set up these raised beds, consider subscribing and I'll see you in our next video.